Okay, this is interesting. I've never used this screen recorder before. I usually use TechSmith's one. Ching. Anyway, here we go. So, first of all, this is me going through the motions. I've filled out the form and it is submitting the form, and then we get to here and we register. We register? No, that's not where we want to go. We want to go to the PayPal page. So my name is John. We'll just have to double click it. John, and my email address is John at successbranding. You see on the speed typist. .com.au, Success Branding, can't check out with PayPal amount. I'm going to have to go through and delete about 6 of these, otherwise you get paid 6 times each month. Pay with checkout. And you'll notice that unless there's a change here, it will not allow me the chance to actually give an email, not an email, agree and subscribe, that's right, to choose a password. I'm going to go to here, and it's like, okay, you've set up a subscription, big deal, but it is not taking me back to the site. This has been the problem the whole time, but okay, we can go back there to the site. Here it is, and here's John. Oh, okay. So, saved logins, I'll choose the thing. It doesn't work, but I forgot the password, so I'll reset my password, and there it is. It says it's not there. Anyway, please, can you see what you can do about it? I need to get on with this so that I can take part in tomorrow's webinar. Thanks, bye.